Hey, it's an exciting day today. In the UK, the Surface Go has just been released. It's released today officially, and we've got one in the office. So we're going to do a very quick unboxing to take a look at the brand new Surface Go device. Could this be your next tablet or hybrid laptop device? Let's take a look. So this is the new Surface Go. We've gone for the Intel Pentium Gold 128GB model with 8GB of RAM. So let's not waste any time, let's get straight into this. It's been interesting because we've seen all of the American reviews go live, and this is one of the first UK ones. So we'll see if there's anything different here between the UK and the US models. So we'll get rid of that. So I'll tell you what, it feels like a really nice box, and I really love that new box feeling when you kind of open a new product and boom, there it is. So let's take this out. There's a little flap here. Oh wow, that is incredibly small and light. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was on a Surface Pro 3 about 2 hours ago, and even though I knew this was going to be much smaller, I didn't have it in my mind it would be quite this small. It's actually incredibly small. It feels kind of like a small book. So we'll put that to one side for the moment. Let's see what else we've got in here. So here it looks like we've just got the Microsoft Go instruction sheet. How many of you actually read that? Not many, I bet. And here, I guess this is the charging brick. Obviously we're in the UK, so we have the UK charging brick here, and it looks like that just slides nicely into there. Unlike the Surface Pro in past generations and the Surface Pro 3, there is no additional USB port on this plug. It is simply just to charge the device. So we'll put that to one side there. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. There's nothing else in the box. We'll take a quick look at the Surface Go. And there we have it. So small, so light. And as I say, I was expecting something just slightly bigger than that. The bezels on some pictures, do look a bit large in some of the unboxings and pictures we've seen. They're not actually as bad in real life as I thought they would be. Still, it would be nice to have them a bit smaller, but I can imagine when you're holding this in portrait or landscape, doing a bit of work, you do kind of need that border there just to stop you hitting things on the screen. We've got the full Surface hinge now, which for the first time on the smaller devices can actually go all the way down to infinite positions. We've got the micro SD card slot there, the Surface charging port, and for the first time a USB-C port which can be used for charging as well. We'll test that out to see how well that works and how fast that is. And there's a headphone jack on the side, an 8-megapixel rear shooter. We've got the volume rockers and the power on and off switch. And we've got a 5-megapixel camera on the front. Okay, so let's move all this stuff to one side, and then we'll take a look at the Surface Type cover. So, this is the Type cover. We've gone for the Alcantara signature Type cover. This costs around £124, I believe. There is a cheaper model available, a black model which is not Alcantara, and that runs at £99. So let's have a quick look at this. It's always a bit tricky when you're getting into a box for the first time. There we go. So again, there's not much in this, but there we have it. There's the Alcantara cover, and it's very lightweight actually. I believe it's around sort of 250 grams, so it doesn't add too much weight to your Surface device. But unlike the iPad Pro keyboard, it's a full keyboard with a variable angle, and it comes with a glass trackpad as well, which is going to be great for doing sort of Excel and some sort of photo editing as well. But there we have it. Let's put them together. Let's go for that satisfying Surface click. There we go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when our full Surface Go review comes out. So make sure you watch that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.